Welcome to our 2017 exhibition stand. Here is our hotel system, which name is Netro, and we integrate one of the world's biggest hotels, is Suene Deluxe Belek, with the system. So we have some system components here, and it's very easy to integrate with the existing hotels too. Here we have the D&D option. So we have some different kinds of D&D. As a manufacturer, we can design with your architectural needs. So in our D&Ds, you can have the make up my room function, the occupancy function, and do not disturb function. So when you press the bell here, it rings. But when the do not disturb is on, the bell doesn't ring. And when the make up my room is on, you can see the make up my room here. So here we have the traditional switch, which you can get from any brand. And also you can use our multi-switch, which you will see there. In the hotel distribution, in the panel board, we don't use the SQ modules, the contactor modules, and the adapters, because we have an all-in-one module here. That's name is AYLNO, which is just manufactured for the hotel systems. It has 11 inputs and 8 outputs. The first input is the OCC, which when the customer comes, and the hotel guest comes to the hotel, when he inserts the card, this is a MyFair card, which you can use your existing log cards here. Here the OCC is on, and the light E is on, and the thermostat is on. So after the first light is on, entrance light is on here, and for the customer comfort, for the guest comfort, the E light is on here. And here, when you press the D&D function, you can see the D&D is on here. When you press the make up my room function, if the D&D is pressed, when you press the make up my room doesn't work, because you need to take out the D&D off. And here you see the make up my room function, and here you see the AC function. So when the guests go out of the room, after 15 seconds, all the lights are off and the thermostat is off. And when the guest comes to the room, it's on again. And for the panel distribution board, you have standard fuses here, and you can use any brand, and just you will use our hotel integrated system, and this can be connected to the thermostat directly. So in one room, we have one room controller on the panel, and you have one thermostat here. And the communication is very easy, because we don't need any Cat5 cables or any bus cables through the hotel room. Just we have the gateway here, and the gateway stays in the corridor, and this gateway can talk with 10 up to 15 different rooms. So you can use the existing hotel system to integrate with the smart system. So what's smart, let's say, because here you can use any kind of lift switches, and you can integrate different switches in different parts of the room, and you don't need any extra cables, because these can work with a Cat5 cable coming here. And also here, this system is a hybrid system. So when it takes the information from here, the information is sent by RF to the gateway. So you don't need any cables for communication. And this gateway is connected to your hotel network. So from the hotel network, this information goes to the reception, goes to the guest relations, and goes to the technical. And also we have some typical applications for the iOS and for the Android versions, which I will show you here. The maid, when the guest presses the make up my room, the maid can see this information in 2 seconds. So she can directly go to the room and make up the room and go back. So for a 5-star hotel, for the new hotels, this is a good integration, because also when the guest presses the D&D button here, the D&D sign is on, and this information goes to the maid also, and this information goes to the reception. So if the D&D sign is on, for example, for 2 days, you can send the information to the guest as we cannot clean your room because your D&D sign is on. So you can also make a reminder for them. And also, You can get this information to make some award system in the hotel. For example, if they use their rooms for the energy saving function, because this has also a sleeping function. This sleep function means after 12 o'clock, from the reception or from the guest relations room, you can also set the temperature as how you like. And also, for example, if guest has a problem, if guests call the call center can check the room temperature, check the thermostat temperature, and adjust the thermostat temperature. We also have a calling system integrated to this, so the hotel is totally integrated with the system. Thank you for watching.